So what were the key takeaways from the latest results? We were bracing for some pretty bad numbers.
Right. The bottom line figure was way bigger than analyst estimates that we'd been seeing because SoftBank had aggressively marked down both its publicly held and privately held assets. And the other surprises included the news of an extra share buyback program. It already has a 1 trillion yen buyback program, but on top of that, he announced another 400 billion yen of share buybacks. And just as you said, they announced commitment to huge cost-cutting efforts, which Masayoshi Son said will include potential cuts in headcount. So details of those will be closely watched going forward.
Masayoshi Son detailed problems, missteps in his portfolio, which was really interesting for an investor of this caliber, right? What are analysts saying looking at that, and what do they think the outlook for this company will be?
Right. Son sounded pretty dark yesterday when he was releasing all these bad numbers. And the response from the market so far, the market hasn't opened yet, but analyst responses are pretty negative. Analysts are saying the results were mostly full of negative surprises. For example, Citi wrote in a note that there is no sign of a turnaround for SoftBank. And also, Redx research that steep declines in valuation is likely to continue to outweigh the increase in shareholder returns in the near term. So there's not a lot of positive things to look for in the current environment. But SoftBank did say it will try to sell off some assets to try clean up its balance sheet. So details of those will be closely watched as well.